This is my 2017 Toyota, and I'd like to be able to haul my rad power bike, so I have purchased this Draw-Tite receiver that will install on this. Draw-Tite website, they have an installation instruction where they have you remove this mud guard or whatever this is. But after examining it and seeing that the screws are way over here, I'm honestly a little bit puzzled. I don't really know why they want you to remove this.
We're going to need to drop down this plastic panel underneath the trunk. And in the front here, you're going to have 3 plastic rivets, as well as 4 12 millimeter bolts.
How about new?
The frame already has these pre-drilled nuts on the frame, and I have screwed them in a ways by hand just to make sure I can do that while I hold the receiver. See those little dots along the edge right here? Those need to face the frame. Okay, I got it in there a few turns. This is actually surprisingly easy. I have not gotten any help whatsoever holding it, but it's not so heavy that I can't hold it myself. The video that I watched said to drop this muffler down, and so far I have not done that. It looks like, you know, I don't need to do it. I can tighten it in there. I'm tightening it while I'm recording it on camera, so that literally is how easy this job is. An amazingly easy job to do. No need to remove that mud flap or whatever that is, and no need to drop the muffler.
How do you know that?
Because I'm a genius.
Well, it's that simple. It was not hard to put in. Low profile, you can barely see it's even there, and it's ready for my bike rack. It took me only about 30 minutes, so this is a really easy job.
Because I'm a genius.